Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe. So, what are we speaking about today? Something that I'm not really happy speaking about. That let's talk about this because this is a tech channel. I don't know if you guys know about the site. The URL is imgur.com, imgur, whatever you call it, imgur. So this is a website. As you guys know, I kind of advocate for like documenting what you do, documenting what you learn, the new things, the edge cases. Just keep it somewhere. So as you guys know, I keep these sort of things in one of my Git repositories. I just save these things there, keep them there, and yeah, and it has served me pretty well. It works just fine. If I need to search for something, I can easily search. Command Shift F and search the important things. So what I was also doing, I was also keeping the screenshots of things. A screenshot of something that's important, of some of the interfaces. These sort of things. And when you kind of see like things in on screen visually, like for example Amazon interface with some arrows, this, it kind of helps you when you want to do anything on Amazon, and not just Amazon. This pattern, it just applies everywhere, just visual stuff. So I was just taking the screenshot of the page and I would uploading it to Imgur, and I was just embedding it in my VS Code, and so I could just see text and then the image. It was just easy for me and it worked. Maybe I should have just uploaded the image as well to Git repository. Yes, but I was doing it because it worked pretty well for me. Now the problem is that now the site is down, and the site is not just down, it's completely blocked in the country, in at least here in UK. Not sure what happened, but when I try to go to the site, none of the images load. I have thousands of screenshots and none of them load. So literally a lot of my stuff is completely gone and I can't recover it. I try to contact their support, no response. They're just ignoring it. I mean, basic data request. Now, literally, you can't do nothing if the company doesn't want to help you. So that's the situation I'm in. A lot of my content is gone. A lot of the content has become meaningless, basically. You have text, and then you have text that points to the image that I'm supposed to look at if I'm watching a tutorial that I wrote for myself for future reference, so I could do those things. That's all gone. So I'm really in a horrible situation where I cannot access the content, the images. Site is gone, cannot request the data. Contacting the support does not really help. So this is something that hasn't, it's not really the first time that's happening, not just with images, with other sites as well. Sites just completely go away. Now I don't know what happened in why the site has gone away here in UK. Maybe the government asked the Imgur site to remove some of the images, and the website said we're not going to remove the images. Maybe it was a huge content, or they couldn't remove the images, certain images, just by looking at the image, because they probably have billions of images and they couldn't remove the images. So they decided that they were going to just shut down this website in UK, so we cannot access the site. Site is gone, my screenshot is gone. A lot of my content has become meaningless. So that's the situation we are in here. And this is not something that we speak about often, but we should. That is data loss. There is so many new sites being built, deployed. They look fancy. They're backed up by this agency, this organization, and then one day they just disappear. It happens way more often. So I think if you're somebody who does similar things, just be careful. Maybe literally just do a backup every now and then. I learned my lesson the hard way. So what I'm for now, I'm just, if I do take a screenshot here and there of something, I'll just upload it to Git repository. I'll make sure it's compressed and all that. At least it's not gonna go away. And I also make sure that I download the repository itself every now and then. If Bitbucket tomorrow decides to do something crazy with the repository, they lost the content or something happened, the content has changed for some strange reason. You don't know these days, and I'll lose all my code snippets that I have gathered over in past 10 years, literally. You know, luckily I have not, because I do the backup now. But yeah, keep those things in mind. The country laws can change. Any website, trust me, any website can be blocked tomorrow by your ISP. Yeah, that's where we are now. I have not tried to access my account on Imgur through VPN. Maybe I can connect to a different country, and then I can access my account, which I will try. But I don't know if it'll work or not. But I'll give it a go. But yeah, keep those things in mind. Like a solution, like I said, just back up your content all the time, as much as you can. And yeah, keep your data safe, guys. Because these things seem to be happening way more lately than they ever did before, at least from what I understand. But yeah, that's all for today. If you're new to the channel, like I said, do make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.